Welcome to my channel. Learn to speak French with me. Apprends à parler français avec moi. Today we are going to learn how to ask a question in a very formal conversation. What is your telephone number? And the word number is masculine in French. So let's look at the first word, what, in French. It's quel. Quel. When it's masculine, it's Quel, and when it's feminine, it's Quelle. So when we have to ask, what is your telephone number? Because number is masculine, we would use the first word, which is Quel, but both of the words are pronounced as quel. Quel. The next word is, which is translated in French as est. est, where the last letter T is silent, est. And this is a form of the verb être. 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 Et. Et. The next word is your. Votre. Votre. Your is translated as votre. And telephone number is translated as numéro de téléphone. 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 Now let's frame the entire sentence. What is your telephone number, or what is your number? Quel est votre numéro de téléphone? Quel est votre numéro de téléphone? It is just like, what is the number of your telephone, So they don't say telephone number, they say number of the telephone. So it's like, quel est votre numéro de téléphone? Quel est votre numéro de téléphone? Now let's learn another simple sentence. What is your address? And address in French is feminine. We learned that number is masculine, so it was quel, Quel, but since address is feminine, it's Quelle, but then it's only in the written form that they had different spellings, and this is why it's quite easy if you just want to learn to speak French, because then you forget about the spellings and you just need to concentrate on the pronunciation, which is the same for both words. So it's quelle est votre adresse? Quelle est votre adresse? Quelle est votre adresse? Quel est votre numéro de téléphone? Quelle est votre adresse? So let's do a quick recap of all that we learned in the last few sessions. So comment allez-vous? Je vais bien. D'où venez-vous? Aller is to go and venir is to come. Some words that are similar in French and English, the French cognates: type, discussion, concentration, table, présentation. Enchanté, nice to meet you. Attention, be careful. Parler, to speak. Chanter, to sing. Manger is to eat. And we've already learned some conjugations. Today we learn a new one. Aimer is to like or to love. J'aime. So you can see je and aim, because we remove the er and we add e. And here there is a simple rule in French, which is that when there are two alphabets that are vowels, then je, the e in je is removed and it's replaced with a small apostrophe. So it's pronounced as j'aime, tu aimes, il aime, elle aime, nous aimons, vous aimez, ils aiment, elles aiment. So something which is very specific to this verb is that you hear the sound of z, of z, and we differentiate plural and singular like this. So She likes is elle aime, but a group of girls and you want to say they like, it's elles aime. So this is how you differentiate, the sounds and the pronunciation differentiates. If you want to say they like to sing, you would say, if it's a group of boys and girls, then we would say ils aiment chanter, because chanter is to sing. That is the literal translation. If you want to say she likes to speak, you would say elle aime parler. Elle aime parler. She likes to sing. If you want to say I like to eat, you would say j'aime manger. I like to eat. J'aime manger. If you find my channel useful, please do subscribe, like, share, and comment. That brings us to the end of today's video. Bon après-midi, good afternoon. Bon après-midi. See you soon in my next video.